In enterprise data operations, relying solely on folder-level permissions is an architectural vulnerability. If your security relies on users keeping files in the correct folders, your system will eventually fail. Folder security is role-based access control, or RBAC. It governs who can edit projects, not who can see the underlying data. If a developer duplicates a sensitive dataset into a shared scratchpad folder, your security boundary is gone. To build an ironclad system, we must implement mandatory access control, or MAC. In Foundry, we do this using markings. A marking is a security constraint that binds directly to the data resource itself. It overrides folder structures and propagates downstream. Today, we will construct a zero-trust data perimeter for our outer heaven operation. So we begin in our platform settings, and to govern access, we first need a target user group. So we're going to click Create Group, and we're going to name this group Security Command Group. The description, we write cleared security. We're going to add our user account to this group so that we have clearance, and then click Save or Create Group. With our group established, next we want to click on Markings. You're going to notice multiple existing markings, and in a production enterprise system, you can't delete marking categories or individual markings. This is a deliberate security ledger constraint. Once written to the ledger, it's immutable. So this prevents bad actors or developer errors from destroying the access trail. So we click New Marking, and we're going to name the marking Classified Secure Ops. And for the description, so once created, we're going to configure a vital security boundary. Let's click Manage next to Marking Permissions. And under here, we want to give ourselves permissions to apply and remove marking. So I've already added myself ahead of time. It's important that when you add apply marking and remove marking, that you understand that in a zero-trust architecture, administrative rights and operational rights are kept strictly segregated. So from this point on, we're going to go ahead and click Manage to Members and map our security command group. So only accounts in this group will ever resolve or view resources tagged with this marking. So with the policy infrastructure being live, we now have to bind it directly to our ingestion stream. So I've kind of already went ahead into our outer heaven raw folder and opened up the operative roster raw files. By locking the raw source, we guarantee that no downstream transformation can ever accidentally expose these identities. So we're going to click Share, navigate to Access Requirements, click Add next to the file markings, and we want to check the Classified Secure Ops and click Save. So the raw data set is now essentially locked under mandatory access control. So we have built our policy perimeter, but data does not sit idle. It moves through pipelines. And in our next episode, we're going to explore how this marking behaves as the data undergoes transformation, demonstrating how security lineage automatically propagates downstream to prevent data laundering.